Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change sale margin in publisher table. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document and take a table. Now we want to change the sale margin of this table. Select the whole table, click and drag on our mouse and go to the layout menu. Now we can see the sale margin option, then we click it. Now we can see here some margin like none, narrow, moderate or wide. Now I select this wide margin and we can see we change the sale margin this publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.